A very good morning to all of you, and welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Study Adda. So, today we will be discussing important 12 current affairs in this session. And as you know, today is 4th July. So, the question starts here that which country is celebrating as the Independence Day today, 4th July? And the right answer for this is America. Option A, USA is the right answer. The day is celebrated as the Declaration of Independence of the United States from Great Britain in 1776, United States and its dependencies. Next, Dri festival is celebrated in which state? Which is going on now and will continue till 7th July. So this Dri festival is celebrated in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. And as I said, the festival is going on in the state and it will be celebrated till 7th July. Next, which telecom company has launched its online meeting app like Zoom? And the right answer for this is option C, Jio. Option C, Jio is the right answer, who has launched its new online meeting app. Next, who has launched Global Bharat program for Indian MSMEs? So this has been launched by SAP India. Option A, SAP India. And this will help MSMEs with digital technologies in order to make them globally competitive. Next, Vladimir Putin, who recently won the election, will now be the president of Russia till which year? This is a big news globally. And the right answer for this is 2036. Option D, 2036. Next, which institute has developed a teaching setup Mobile Master G? And this has been developed by IIT Kanpur. Right answer is option B, IIT Kanpur has developed teaching setup Mobile Master G. Unit name. And recently also IIT Gandhinagar developed AI based tool to detect COVID-19 from chest X-ray images. So this was also in news recently in the current affairs section. Next, the World Bank has approved how much amount as MSME emergency response program for MSMEs in India? And the amount is $750 million. Option A, USD 750 million. Recently, the Government of India has also approved the special liquidity stream of rupees 30,000 crore for non-banking financial companies and housing finance companies. Next, the news which was very much in news yesterday, Saroj Khan, who passed away, and you have to tell who was she. So as you know, the right answer is choreographer. Saroj Khan was a legendary choreographer. And recently, Siddharth Mukherjee and Raj Chetty were awarded as Great Immigrants 2020 award. Next, who released the book titled The Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends? And this book has been released by Vice President of India Venkaiah Naidu. Option B, Venkaiah Naidu. Next, and this book has been authored by C.A. V. Pattabhiram. Next, which team's legendary cricketer Everton Weekes passed away at the age of 95? So Everton Weekes was a legendary West Indian cricketer. Was a legendary Caribbean cricketer. Right answer is option D, West Indies. He was the third oldest surviving men's test cricketer after South African John Watkins and England's Don Smith. Next, which state launched activities of APCROSS? So this has been launched by Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. And this Andhra Pradesh Corporation for Outsourced Services, APCROSS, aims in bringing transparency into governance by ending corruption and nepotism. And the last question of the day, who inaugurated unique urban forest at the office of Comptroller Auditor General CRAD in New Delhi? And this has been inaugurated by option D, Prakash Javadekar. Option D, Prakash Javadekar. So that's all from today's video. If you have enjoyed this session, please share and subscribe it. Thank you so much.